Okay, let me read this problem here. It says if the base of a rectangle is 7 2/3 centimeters and the area is 72 5/6 centimeters squared, what's the height of the rectangle? So remembering our basic formula for quadrilaterals. Whoa. Probably better grab a color here. We have the base times the height. So we have 7 2/3 n times n, which is the number I don't know, equals 72 5/6. All right, the opposite of multiplying, which is what I have going on here, is division. So we are going to divide both sides by 7 2/3. That will leave my n alone. If you're not using a fraction calculator, if you had to paper and pencil this, you would need to multiply by, well, when I turn this into an improper fraction, I get 23/3, and the reciprocal of that is 3/23. So let me just show you both equations. I have 72 5/6 divided by 7 2/3. And that's, you're doing this if you have a fraction calculator. If you don't have a fraction calculator, then you're doing the 72 5/6, and you'd also have to turn that into an improper fraction times the 3/23. Either way, our answer to this problem is, and I have my I have my calculator, so I'm going to it right now. 72 and 5. You have to be careful to type in your numbers correctly. 5/6 divided by 7 2/3 equals, and I get 19 halves. 19 halves is divided by 2, you get 8 1/2. So the other dimension is 8 1/2 centimeters. You see the added complications here with this problem because of the fractions, but if you take your time, it's a very doable problem. Watch this video again if you need to have some extra help.